Buhay, sari-sari.
Hey,
Hello.
how are you doing?
Good.
You're doing?
Good.
Hmm?
Good.
Are you sure?
Yes. Why are
What you doing, Ubadi Teya?
As shy.
Show in the camera. Look
Yes,
in the
I'm
camera,
very-
please.
Look at it. It's all your classmates. Come on,
Say hi.
You're famous to my classmates.
Say hi, John Lee.
Hi. Hi everyone. Sorry for the lack of videos.
Why?
Because their globe is having a problem right now. They haven't been at the time we tried to upgrade our
Internet.
the internet now, and the internet was lost, and then we reported it, and maybe we'll get a discount, but we don't get a bill because we didn't even use any internet. So yeah.
We're stuck here.
Yes, we're stuck in this limbo. We can't post anything. We can't do anything cool. This is the only, and this video is being broadcast on a private network.
Let us tour it in our store.
Yes.
Come on, show it. Hey. Move. Why are you stuck on here? Come on.
Okay. Now this is the store part 2 without internet edition. Everything's crumbling because the internet is going down. There's no internet, but still we have data. So, ooh. I ate too
That's
much
my
ice cream again.
jelly.
Okay. See you next episode. Hopefully, Globe, please fix your internet because we might have to terminate our contact. You'll lose more clients. Bye! Buhay, sari-sari. Ow! Aray ko.
What's that? Come
Why
on.
did I hit my
We're
arm?
going to show how we exercise in our store.
Okay, this is how we
Like what?
exercise. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Itaas ang kamay.
6, 7, 8. Okay, push up. 1, aray. Mahirapan sari-sari sa mga mag-push up. Kaya nindo ako dagon.
Okay.
Negative 1. Dagon nindo yan. Sige, squats.
How?
Tignan, squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
What's that?
7, 8. That is what we call squats. In the store, we don't really have enough space, so a lot of us just sit for squats. And also, this we called running.
How?
Running to get paninda. Okay.
Okay. Example.
Ano pa po?
Yes, go.
Speed run.
Yes.
Speed run.
Come on.
Rin.
Get some.
Sukle.
Not yet.
Sukle.
Yet.
Friend.
Come on. No, not yet.
What's the next spell? This is how we serve our customers in quarantine. #no face mask. Totally. That's Daddy, and I'm the cameraman for this episode. Okay, show us how you do it. Wow, so interesting. I never have thought about that. What else can you say about that? Oh my god, I bet you guys didn't know about that either. Oh, okay, so after finishing one customer, our customer service provider does this. I don't know, she's just addicted to sitcom probably. Okay, and then she does this. I don't know why. This is strange. Okay, mga ka-BSS. Oh, funny moments captured on camera. That's why you never walk backwards, kids. Always look where you're heading. Now our customer service provider seems to be sleeping, and sleeping on the job is allowed by all instance. No, okay. Ding! Cinematic view. Tigs. Wang 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 wang. Amazing view. Okay. Seems to be okay. Here's the episode. We have made one short.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.